Are you feeling stuck? Are you feeling emotionally depressed? Or you feel something is not happening in your life, something is not moving, and you feel claustrophobic with all that's happening around you? This is a beautiful modality that we call it as access consciousness bars, the very core class in the access consciousness as such, which is a hands-on process of running a 60-minute process, a 1 hour process on your head, which creates so much of space, it creates so much of open space for you for choices. And this is a beautiful modality wherein it's a gentle hands-on process where you will be lying down, and along with the process we will also be doing a lot of verbal clearance. I welcome you to experience this beautiful science behind the access path. This is Jana Reddy inviting you at Illuminations. Please do visit and experience this wonderful science behind access paths.